If you got into coding to land your first job and never landed one, here's my message to you. It's not really your fault. Boot camps, guides, even universities oversold the promise, finish the program, you're guaranteed to get a job. The reality is, no program can guarantee that. Too many certified developers who aren't actually good at coding have been graduating every year, forcing companies to filter for skill now. Everything you've been told, it's a complete lie. You were set up, but thankfully, that's what I'm going to try and fix today. First of all, we need to go through the 3 pillars of getting hired. Proof is going to show employers that you know what you're doing, such as your GitHub repositories and your deployed apps. Visibility is going to show yourself to employers for getting hired. Your LinkedIn posts, your coding blogs, open source, anything that puts you out there and makes you visible. And finally, persistence. That's the 3rd step in getting a job. It's going to be the fact that you don't give up and you're going to keep applying, because as you can see by the flowchart down below, it takes hundreds of applications to actually get your first job, but you have to stick it out. You have to reframe the viewpoint as well. You can't say I've been coding for a year and I haven't gotten a job, or I've been doing this for so long and I'm getting nowhere. You have to think instead, I've recently gotten very serious about coding. I may not have known what I was doing before. It's becoming more and more clear to me now, and I think I'm more qualified than ever before to get my first job. Focus on current projects. GitHub activity is going to matter more than any certification. You have to live in the present moment, not the past. Action plan to getting hired is going to be the 5 steps that I'm going to give you right now to get you hired. First of all, start coding today. Push something to GitHub right now. Don't even think about it. This is going to get activity built, and it's going to get you back into that coding mindset. Building 2 or 3 projects that should highlight your skills. This is going to show employers that you know what you're doing. And on top of that, it's going to be what you're going to show employers when you show them your proof of skill. Apply smart. You want to target junior role startups and internships. You don't want to go for any big jobs. You don't want to go for any high salary positions. Right now, you just need to get some momentum. So just go for something quick and easy if you can, and you can land it. Then you get set into the job and you can start building experience. Stay visible, LinkedIn posts, social posts, etc. This is going to make sure that if there's an employer that is looking for employees, they are going to see you. That's very important, because a lot of employers might reach out to you if they're looking for someone for an internship. This is a great way to be visible. And finally, you have to play the long game. The average self-taught dev takes 6 to 18 months to get hired. Thankfully, you might be in your prime or your peak right now, so you might not even need half that time. But be aware that it does take a couple of months on average. The breakthrough is that once you land a job, momentum carries. Once you got that job, you're set. You don't have to think about it, because you're riding a wave that's never going to stop now. Once you build experience, getting a job becomes exponentially more easier after that. Getting a higher salary becomes exponentially more easier. You just have to get your first job, and I promise you, it's only sunshine from there. Thank you for this guy in my Discord server for asking the question. If you guys are interested in mentorship, I also offer that in the description. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.